Today I'm going to show you how to manage watch lists in TradingView. So managing a watch list is quite useful. On the right hand side you will see this is our watch list. Now quite simply, if you hold your cursor over any one of these items, any one of these symbols, you can delete them. So whichever one we'd like to keep, we can keep, but you can delete what you're not going to be using. Okay, so I'm just going to delete the ones that I don't want to use. You can also see over here on the word watch list, there's a drop down menu. Here you can share your list, you can add an alert onto the list. You can also make a copy if you'd like to copy it and then make minor changes to it. You can rename it, you can add a section to it, you can completely clear the list, create a new list, you can even upload a list. If you'd like to add anything to this list, click on the add symbol. Over here you'll be able to find the symbol. You can either search it, go through these categories, and then once you've actually found it, you can go ahead and you can click on the plus icon. That will literally be open on your watch list. You can also click on go to symbol and it'll all be over here. You can also click on this over here. This will give you an expanded view of your watch list. You can see overview, earnings, dividends, and news. You can make the currency in USD, and then you can see all of your different symbols over here. And there we go. There are some additional settings, so you can customize what you actually see. Let's see. Let's say you only want to see the volume. You want to only see the symbol and the logo and not the name. We can go ahead and do exactly that. And there we go. You can now see your watch list in a customized view.